Hi everyone. Happy Wealthfluential Wednesday. Today's topic is a question that we get a lot. How can I increase my credit score within 30 days? Before we begin, let's start with the basics. You need to order your credit report and your credit scores. Of course, you cannot fix something unless you know what is going on. You can always obtain a free credit report from annualcreditreport.com. However, it is not going to include your FICO scores. I also do not recommend relying on certain companies to get your scores because those are not FICO scores. They use other systems like the Vantage system. You want to use a FICO score reporter. The reason why is 90% of mortgage companies and lenders and car salesmen, that is the system that they use. So we want to use what the industry standard is. Most companies that you can find online where you want all three credit bureaus will charge you anywhere from $15 a month to $30 a month. We here at Wealthfluential, we use Credit Hero Score. It provides you with all three of your bureau FICO scores as well as your credit report, but it also includes monitoring of your report and alerts if there is any identity theft activity on your credit report. So that's why we like it. Number one, first way that you can increase your credit score in 30 days is a credit line increase. If you have been paying your creditors on time and your current score is over 600, try calling your credit card company and asking for a credit line increase. Most times they will not do a hard pull on your credit. A credit line increase will instantly decrease your credit utilization, which accounts for a large portion of your credit score. Right here, I want to give an honorary mention for adding a trade line. A trade line is technically any credit line that is on your credit report. However, when you hear people talk about trade lines, they're usually talking about being added as an authorized user on someone else's credit account. If you have a family member or a friend who has an account that is in good standing, has low utilization, you can have them add you as an authorized user. And that's one way to increase your score and automatically lower your debt utilization, as well as adding a positive account on to your credit report. These arrangements should only be done with people that you trust. There is, however, an entire industry of companies out there that buy and sell trade lines. However, you absolutely need to proceed with caution. While buying a trade line is legal, it is very risky. Number two way that you can increase your credit score in 30 days is to have your late payments removed. So there's a few ways here. If you have late payments on your credit report within the last 2 years, we want to do our best to get those removed. First, determine the age of the account. If this is your oldest account and the majority of the time you have been on time and you just had one little blip, you may want to dispute the late payment, but not the entire account, right? Having an account removed that has been mainly positive will absolutely hurt your score. So that's the first thing. You want to be really careful. If it is only one missed payment, you want to call that creditor and ask them to remove that late report. Tell them that you are committed to continuing to pay your bills on time. Explain to them what happened during that time and tell them that you've put a safety net in place so that it won't happen again. This works best, again, if you have consistently been on time and you only have one, maybe two missed payments in a period. Now, if this is an account where you've consistently been late, then you want to have that entire account removed. You want to check your credit report for any errors in your name, in your address, in the current amount owed, in the date that is open, the status of the account. Send a dispute letter to the credit bureaus asking them to remove this account because it is inaccurate. Removing negative accounts from your credit report will instantly increase your score. Another way to increase your score in 30 days is the obvious one. Pay down your debt. Once you've obtained your credit report, and you've attempted to increase your available credit. Go ahead and calculate. How much do I need to get my credit utilization down to 30%? The formula is simple, okay? How much credit do I have available to me? You add up all of the maximum credit lines that you have on every card and you multiply that by 30%. That is how much credit you should have, that or less, on those cards. You can do it individually, card by card, or you can do it as a whole, but you want to stay under 30%. Figure that out and then start paying that debt off. As always, here at Wealthfluential Credit Repair, we are here to help. Please follow, like, subscribe, share this content. You never know who you can be helping. And also, if you're ready to get started repairing your credit, visit us at wealthfluential.com/start. Have a good day, guys. Bye.